Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. The question is a 22 out of 22 win rate possible day trading gold? Well, we'll let the video roll. If you trade with a set strategy that you've back tested and you know that works, all you have to do is repeat the process and stick to the rules. That's it. And this becomes a permanent, reliable money machine. Tap into the financial markets on a daily basis and download money into your account. It's what it's about. If you get what I'm going to show you in this video, it could be an absolute game changer for you. And I don't say that lightly. So I would suggest, if this is of interest, watch it through to the end. I'm going to explain the strategy in detail. So I have a 2-chart layout, 1 minute up the top and a 30-minute under. We have these signals that indicate there's a breakout happening. It's a break of structure. So I've set the signals on the 1 minute chart through this trend channel indicator on TradingView here. 3 dots, click add the alert, and you want to select this one. That's the cloud break number 2. Once per bar. Create. And that's it. When the signal fires, I'm only just setting these up now, redoing my signals. Because what I'm doing is refining the strategy. And the signals that go in here are going to be really meaningful. So if they fire, take notice, jump in, take the trade. So with this 2-chart combo, show it up on the 30-minute here. Okay, that fired here. So when this fires, it's going to be in the alerts log, come into the chart, have a look at the signal and compare it with the 30-minute chart. If it's a red signal, a bearish break, you want to see that 30-minute is, you can see the lines here are heading south, right? And we've also broken out of this cloud. You can see the cloud on both sides here of the chart. Well, we've broken out of the cloud. Even breaking into the cloud, I'm okay with it. Let me just bump up this cloud on the 30 so we can see it. The cloud. I'll just make it obvious. So we've had a break out of the cloud. So this fired here. It's pulling back. But we can see, from this that, especially given we're under the cloud here, I'm okay to take that. I'm not trading it here though. I'm setting it up to trade it over here. Let's just mark up under here. Right, you can see on the 30-minute what it looks like. And what we have is, I don't want to make this complicated, but we've got a chart pattern here that stacks up, basically. You've got a break of structure. This is your break of structure here. And then you got the pullback to retest that. And that's your trade. What I tend to do with this is set up pending sell orders. Okay, so when the signal fires on the 1 minute, and I can see that the momentum's bearish on the 30, I'm good to go. And it's a really simple process of marking up wherever the breakout signal is. Look left and grab the low. You can see the market spike down here, spike down here. You can pull that across. Mark up the low of the channel of this range here where the breakout occurred. It's a break of structure. Breakout, looking for the previous low, and we want the pullback into it. So what I'll do is I'll just set up through here, generally 3 orders on MT5, and if you want to, you can layer some more in. Set your stop loss. Now the stop loss is actually going to go, it's quite specific, above the white line here. So there's your stop, above our white line on the 1 minute chart. Give it a bit more room to breathe if you want to. Entry, we can average it out through here. And here's the thing. We'll just open this up on the 1 minute. Okay, we know where the entry is. Pick up the trend base fib extension, and we plan everything on TradingView here. Click where the entry is, pull it down, click and pull it back up again. I'll show you this. I'll show you the settings. And then grab this handle here and set that up. In this case, we've got about an 8 to 1 risk reward outcome if you manage to close your trade down here. That doesn't matter. It'll vary depending on how you read the chart. But we're going to use this indicator to follow with a trailing stop. So what we can do is just bump up the cloud because we need to see that. That's all there is to it, guys. We just use the indicators. Okay, we've got an entry. It's set and forget pretty much. You'll either get a fill or you won't. If the stop gets hit, it doesn't matter. Well, out of 22 trades, we've got a 100% win rate here. The thing with this is you want to go for this risk reward. Let's just consider how many times, I mean, look at this range here. What's that worth as far as a loss? Okay, 104 versus however many of these trades you take, where you get a 5-to-1 risk reward, and look at that. So however many of these get hit, it's really insignificant. And the key to this is going for that risk reward and letting your trade run. So what we're looking to do here is close a portion of our position at 50% of our stop loss range. Entry here, I want to close 2/3 here. I'll show you this fib extension settings in a minute. Closing 2/3 here, then you leave 1/3 to run. So what you're doing is you're always banking money. This then sets this up to be a profitable trade. Once you've taken 2/3, pull your stop loss down to wherever it's in the money and leave the rest in. Just let it run. That's it. Risk free, money in the bag already, and you just keep consistently taking money out of the markets. So this is important, this setup here. Okay, here's the next trade. Same thing pretty much. This one had a wider stop. You want to go, well, at least above the cloud. The breakout happened here. You may not have caught it until here. That's pretty wide, but it's what we do. It just doesn't matter if that gets taken out because we don't know, I mean, well, here's the thing. How far did we get with this trade? It's still going, guys. Look at that. You see what I'm saying? So that 30% in, just let it run. And then, of course, you're going to pull your stop loss down really quickly. I'll just delete all of these drawings. Okay, we know what we've got here. It's just more of the same. To take this one step further, what you can do is, say, when the signal fires, it's preferable to see that the market's trading above or below the cloud on the 30-minute. And when these signals fire, you're only looking for green signals here, for the green triangle. Okay, you're going to ignore the red ones. They're just breakouts. There'll be stop runs and any volatility, you'll see these get triggered. What you want to do is, when the signal fires, this one, yeah, well, I mean, that one was okay. You got a bit out of that. But you want to see that this is trending back into this midline, this center line here. All right, and what you're looking for is to catch the rotation. So the market rallies, retraces, rallies, retraces, and goes on and on like this. Okay, rallies, retraces. It's not going to be picture perfect, but you get the idea. When you see that, where is that market up? It's firing on a retrace back into the mean. So I mean, that's okay. We'll take that. Some of them are going to be better than others, especially because what it does, this will tell you, like on a retrace, when the market's starting to rotate. And that's the opportunity, right? So let's just have a look at this one as well. Yeah, there's a couple. There's 3 in here, and the volatility will trigger them. But you're looking for these bullish signals, And the thing is, you can take these breaks here, and they might be short-lived. However, it's this one that gives you your payday. Makes up for any stops that get hit. Nice outcome. Look left. Break of structure through here, the pullback, entry, right, and there's your trade. These are going to happen. Use the cloud for your stops. Follow this up, and then finally get taken out. That's a nice result, right? But the trick is leaving that 30% in and letting it run, and depending on how well you read the market. Anyway, the opportunities keep coming, guys. So, I mean, I would say to you, if this is of interest, practice makes perfect. Get good at this, and, not only do we have this opportunity running on gold, we've got a whole bunch of opportunities with these other currency pairs and instruments. Have a look at my videos. I've done a couple on the US 30, US 100. Pound dollar was a good one. I'm redoing my alerts, going through and finding the best of the best. I think I got a 19 out of 20 on the 5-minute chart with the pound dollar. So, be selective with the alerts, set them up, and when these fire, you want to take notice. Come in, take the trade, high win rate, build your account. So different strategies for different instruments. And it's just a matter of going through like the 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5-minute charts on all of these and just seeing which ones stack up. Set up your trading rules for that. I've got my notes here and I'm just starting to go through these now, and I want the best of the best, the pick of the bunch. Previously, I had the alert set on the 3-minute chart across the board for everything, and I was trading a 3-minute, 30-minute strategy combo, and that's okay. But I'm just wanting to take it to the next level and reduce the amount of alerts, go for higher probability setups. And so this is what I'm doing at the moment. Now, you might want to join me on this journey. Join our Discord, the link's below. I've got the Traders Zone here. This is free. You can jump in here. We've got daily trade ideas that get posted in here, risk sentiment every day. We post our info on market risk. So this is a wonderful resource for anybody interested in trading crypto, Forex, the indices, metals. All the tutorials are in here. Then take it to the next level, guys. Join VIP. We have so much going on in here, so much more information. We've got all my trades that I'm taking on my MT5 account. And next level trading. We look into some advanced trading concepts through here. The tutorials on that. Chat room, everyone gets involved in there. So you can join VIP if you go up here to this channel and then go down to this note here. Click the link tradingwithanthony.com. It'll take you to the store on my website, and here's your options. Invest $19.95 a month. Give yourself an opportunity to find out what's possible. Try it for 1 month if you want to. I'm happy to share my success, and I don't want to give it away for nothing. Invest little on your part to gain a lot. Of course, there's a lifetime opportunity. I reintroduced this recently. We're going to let it go for a reduced once only. Okay, so with that, guys, hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in Discord.